Hey guys, how is everybody this evening? I thought we would talk about the medium utility tote tonight. It is the special this month, but it's also never been in the catalog before. This is the first time, and I would say in my time with 31, which is about 3.5 years, but it's my understanding it's the first time ever that it's been in the, I'm scrolling down here so I can make sure I have it in front of there, but that it's ever been in the catalog. So it's in the catalog for, well, it was for September, October, November. So, but this month, it's also the customer special. So, if you have not been introduced to this lovely, lovely thing, then let me go ahead and show it to you. The medium utility tote is, for those of you that are familiar with the large utility tote, I put this thing out of reach. Sorry. This is the large utility tote. One of our cute designs, isn't that cute? And this is available in the medium too, but this is the large, okay? It's a little squishy because it just came out of the bag. Okay, there's that. And there's the medium. Let me step back a little bit so you can kind of see the difference in size, okay? So if you see, the medium is like just a little taller. This the bottom's like, okay. So they're about the same width, but the large is obviously longer. And here, let me hold them this way too so you can see them, okay? So the large, medium, that kind of gives you an idea there of the difference between those. But the medium is great for some smaller jobs. Large utility tote, a lot of people will use that, like if you're going away on a week-long vacation. My husband actually used the medium utility tote this past weekend. We just went away overnight. Plenty of room to throw his toiletry bag in there, and plenty of stuff, including a hoodie. So it actually was a pretty good size for that, for an overnight. Now, this is one of these, isn't that cute? One of the wraparounds designs. There's two of those available. This is touchdown time for obvious reasons. And then there's Holiday Express, which looks like a train. In the regular prints, and when I say regular, and this is part of why I pulled this up for you, 1, 2, 3, 4 are very Christmas specific. We are talking, and I have some of them, but not all. One of them is the Santa hats, so that's obviously. Another one which is red with like pink and white snowflakes on it, so that could technically be winter, but it's kind of Christmassy. Then we've got the snow globe. See that? Isn't that cute? That's the snow globe shake up. The snowy slopes, which I have to say I like, but this is another one that looks Christmassy, but could also look another. And then, and those are the ones that are very much Christmas specific. Like I said, technically the trees and the fun flurries could kind of go both ways, but they definitely do look Christmassy too. But then we also have the frosted gold metallic. So it actually does have a shimmer in it to it, which is really cool. The perfectly plaid, which is that black and white plaid that we've been talking about and we're all raving about. The gumdrop spots, which is the one that's kind of a purpley blue with the different colored spots on it. That's fun. And then the charcoal crosshatch. So technically that's 2 wraparound prints and 8 other prints that it's available in. So lots of choices with that, which is great. Hey Christy! The other thing I wanted to show you too. Well, first of all, let me tell you that this month, the medium utility totes, which are normally, the wraparounds are normally $35 each, and the regular ones are usually $30. This month they are $10 each when you spend $35. But here's the even better part. They are mix and match, which means you could, with the online extras for 50%. So you could get one medium utility tote for $10 and then get an online extra for 50% off for spending $35. So it's a pretty good deal. You have options, which I know a lot of you like. But the other thing I want to tell you too, and this is not in the online extras, I thought it was, but I looked before we got on, and it's not. And the medium stand tall insert. Now I'm going to show you. This gray is not available. It's available in red and black. Red or black, I should say, not and. Although that might be pretty. Red and black plaid, maybe. It goes in here and kind of makes it stand up sturdy. Okay. Now the way it goes in here, see the little snaps? Literally, you just unsnap it, put it through the grommets. There. There's one. Oops. It's a little harder when I'm sitting here and have it laid in my lap this way, but let me put it through here. And then it snaps right in front. Let me get it snapped here. And there you go. And both sides will do that. I only snapped the one side just so you could see it. And those are available for $24.15 a piece, and they're available in red or black. So you could technically do one of those and then something else to get you to your 35 to qualify, and then get a medium utility tote, and then, like I said, get something else, or get a second medium utility tote, and then you would have one of these. And the insert as well. So it's a pretty good deal. Yeah, so that's, like I said, that's available this month. And next week, I think, because like I said, tonight I thought I would just show you the medium utility tote. I do love it. It's really great. And it can be used for so many things. Because it's a little smaller, it's got a little bit more versatility because it fits in smaller spaces and that kind of thing. It fits, to kind of give you an idea of the size too, I mean, I know you saw it, but it fits really well behind my car seat, between my car seat and the back seat of my car. Like, it's about the width-ish of my car seat. So that might give you an idea, a better idea of what the size are. So, but I mean, it can be used to take fall sport games, which obviously this one would be perfect for. It's good for the pumpkin patch. You could hold up to 2 pumpkins, I would say. I do have a graphic that I will post here soon that has how much it will hold for you. So I'll make sure that I put that up there. It can hold hats and gloves. I've actually hung it on like hooks on my wall, and then it holds hats and gloves and scarves, you know, the winter stuff, because I know we're not there yet, but it's coming. So cleaning supplies, great because it has the handles that you can carry it around from room to room. It's great for that, and it is wipeable, which is always really nice. So if something spills in it, no big deal. Craft supplies, dog or cat toys. We have cats, but our cat toys are smaller. So dog toys, probably the bigger ones, that sort of thing. A car kit. So it would be great to put like in the back of your car to keep things like, or behind the seat. Like I said, it fits really well there. Like a first aid kit, and I'm trying to think what all, you know, spark plugs and things you might need. Spark plugs. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. I clearly don't fix my own car. But anyway, things you might need along the way for the back of your car. If you're taking food to places, I've used them for that. If you are trying to keep things together in your living room or whatever, to have a home gym, like maybe you have the bands or whatever, or weights or whatever, you can use it for that. Blankets, of course, and office on the go. And holiday gifts, of course, especially if you have the Christmas ones, you can take your Christmas gifts with you in one of the cute little prints, you know, and off you go. And I will say two uses, and next week what I think we'll do is I'll actually put some of these stuff in there so you can see even more of what it looks like. But 2 uses I can tell you that it absolutely has been used for. My parents, who are in Florida, actually put one on the back of their golf cart because it fits perfectly, evidently, on the back of the golf cart to hold their stuff while they're on the golf course. And then I use it all the time to take stuff with me when I'm one of the advisors for Ski Club. And so I take snacks for my daughter and I take extra gloves and things like that. I take hand warmers, stuff for me to, you know, usually I throw some things in there for me to do, you know, files or whatever. Just all kinds of stuff like that in there. And it's perfect for that because it's not so huge. And not that the large utility tote is huge per se, but sometimes you just don't need that much room. It's just that simple. Because like I said, the large utility tote, while it's perfect for a lot of things, it can hold a week's worth of clothes, especially if you're going to a warmer climate and it's not as bulky a clothes. So the medium utility tote kind of fits that bill for some of those smaller needs. So, but yeah, next week let's talk about what actually, like I said, we'll do an actual thing where I'll put things in it and you can actually see how it fits and that sort of thing. Because I know if you're like me, you're visual. I like to see how it works because that's just the way I am. The one thing I did want to make sure and tell you is that this, I'll get it, I will. The touchdown time, the football one, they are expecting it will probably sell out quickly. So if you want one of those, you should probably get it sooner rather than later. So I will keep you guys in the loop as I see things, like if it goes on low inventory or whatever. Especially let me know if you're looking to get one of those and maybe you're waiting for a paycheck or something, and I'll keep an eye on it for you. So, all right, have a wonderful evening. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.